Sifunde isiXhosa no-Under Penguin neetshomi zakhe.
Molweni zihlobo zam. Namhlanje sibuyela ekufundeni ngeziqhamo. Siqale safunda ngazo xa sisinye isiqhamo. Ngoku sizokufunda ngazo xa zizibini okanye zininzi. Today we're going back to learning about fruits. We first learned about them when there was one fruit. Now we're going to learn about them when there are two or many. Masiyeni. Let's go. Iapile. Apple. Eli liapile. This is an apple. Ama-apile. Apples. La ngama-apile. These are apples. Ibanana. Banana. Eli libanana. This is a banana. Ibanana. Bananas. Ezi zibanana. These are bananas. Idiliya. Grape. Le yidiliya. This is a grape. Idiliya. Grapes. Ezi zidiliya. These are grapes. I-orange. Orange. Eli li-orange. This is an orange. I-orange. Oranges. Ezi zi-orange. These are oranges. I-mango. Mango. Le yi-mango. This is a mango. I-mango. Mangoes. Ezi zi-mango. These are mangoes. Ifiya. Fig. Eli lifiya. This is a fig. Amafiya. Figs. La ngamafiya. These are figs. Elinye legama lefiya likhiwane. Another name for a fig is ikhiwane. Eli likhiwane. This is a fig. Amakhiwane. Figs. La ngamakhiwane. These are figs. Iqunube. Strawberry. Eli liqunube. This is a strawberry. Amaqunube. Strawberries. La ngamaqunube. These are strawberries. Ipere. Pear. Eli lipere. This is a pear. Amapere. Pears. La ngamapere. These are pears. Iguava. Guava. Le yiguava. This is a guava. Iguava. Guavas. Ezi ziguava. These are guavas. Ipesika. Peach. Le yipesika. This is a peach. Ipesika. Peaches. Ezi ziipesika. These are peaches. Ipineapple. Pineapple. Le yipayinapile. This is a pineapple. Ipayinapile. Pineapples. Ezi zipayinapile. These are pineapples. Niqhube kakuhle. Well done. Ngoku niyasazi isininzi seziqhamo. Now you know the plurals of fruits. Ze niphinde nibuye nizokuqhubeka ukufunda isiXhosa no-Under-Penguin neetshomi zakhe. Come back again. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.